Gold yesterday created a bearish candle. It was a continuation of this strong bearish candle that has been formed a day before. Yesterday I have mentioned that I am expecting that the price will try to reach this area of support 3272.61. We can see that making a bearish breakout below this small support around 3289.55. The price has done just that. And we can see how the price was jumping up and down a little bit, having a wick on the upper side and also a wick on the lower side. And the price has reached very close to this area of support level, a demand zone around this area where the buyers are waiting. If we take a look yesterday, what has happened on the 1 hour time frame, we will see that the price was going from this area of resistance, going further down, making a bearish breakout here around 3317.59. This bearish breakout has been shared with the traders inside the premium analysis. The link for the premium analysis will be below in the description, so feel free to check and join if you would like to receive these updates, like also the premium traders. After that, the price has reached this area of support, and we can see the price did not stop for a while, retracing back up. We can see the price is continuing to making a bearish breakout, going further down, then returning back up just to confirm the previous support, now acting as a resistance. We can see that here. And then the price has reached this area of support 3285.87. This was the small support I have mentioned on the daily time frame. This was here where these open and close of these candles are located. After that, the price continued to lose its value. We can see it has gone all the way back down, reaching the daily support level, and we can see the price is currently returning back up after making bearish breakout below this area of support. What we can expect today? Well, first of all, we need to see how the price will behave around this area of support. Will the price manage to make a bearish breakout going further down, or it will retrace back up? We can see the price has tried to move down, we can see that here, but the price has retraced back up, and we can see that on the 4 hour time frame. This is what has happened. This is a bearish breakout where the price is currently returning, testing the previous support, now acting as a resistance. And on the 1 hour time frame, we can see the price is testing this area of resistance, probably retracing back up. Now, what will happen? So first of all, the price is currently made a bearish breakout, so it has tested this as a resistance. So the 1 hour time frame is showing a bearish breakout, which means potentially moving down. 4 hour time frame is also showing a bearish breakout. This one here, where the price is currently testing this bearish breakout as a valid one. And that means this candle, which is a 4 hour time frame, should not return back above this area of resistance to confirm this bearish breakout as a valid one. Also, we need to pay attention that this bearish breakout has already reached the next target, which is this area around this area of support, a demand zone around 3.99. So this is a little bit tricky for the 4 hour time frame. On the daily time frame, we currently have a price touching the support level. So the price needs to make a bearish breakout here today and close the day below this area of support in order to allow the price to go further down, which means bearish signal. So for this time, we currently have 1 hour time frame. It's already formed a bearish breakout and it has been confirmed. 4 hour time frame, its bearish breakout needs to be confirmed and the daily just needs to be formed. So everything is currently pointing that we have a bearish breakout formed and also forming. So there is much more probability that the price could make a bearish breakout also on the daily time frame going further down. So we will see what happens around this area of support, but pay attention that this support has in the past acted as a strong support, because we can see here for several days the price could not make a bearish breakout. So this time it will also make a strong support. So we will see how the bears are strong enough. Are they enough strong to push the price down, making a bearish breakout immediately at the first day, or it will retrace, like in this example, going back up to the first resistance around 3350 and then trying to move the price again and again down. So we will see what happens today. It's very important to see how the price will react today, and also on the 4 hour time frame. If we see the price going further down, especially making a bearish breakout below 3243.99, this will be again the signal for the price that it will target lower levels, which means the next support 3207.74. Now in the opposite direction, if the price returns back above 3303.41, this will be a signal that the price has bouncing from this area of support, and it will target higher price levels, which means 3326.95 and 3350, which is a daily support. So we will see how the price will behave. We can see that if the price retraced back up, it means around 3314. is the next resistance level, and we can see 3303 is the first level that the price needs to make a bullish breakout. So for now, a little bit more bearish than it is bullish, so we'll see how the price will behave, especially here on the 4-hour time frame. Will this be confirmed as the bearish breakout, or it will be failed, which means the price will try returning back above to the higher price levels. Now, if you have any suggestion, also opinion, where the price could go during this day, will it continue to fall down even further, or it will retrace from this area of support, feel free to leave a comment and let's discuss about this topic. Also remember that there is a premium analysis where I share the details with the traders, where I share when there is a breakout, bullish or bearish, and they receive the update with the take profit levels. That's all for this day. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.